In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a QuickBooks online invite as an accountant user. Let's start from the very beginning. When your client invites you to access their QuickBooks online account, that invitation will arrive by email. So the first thing you'll want to do is open your inbox and look for an email from QuickBooks on behalf of your client. It will usually mention that you've been invited to access their QuickBooks online company. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and also make sure you're looking in the correct email account, especially if you use more than one for different clients or firms. Once you've found the email, open it and look for the button or link that says Accept Invitation. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new browser window or tab and take you to the Intuit sign-in page. Here, you'll need to sign in using the same email and password you use for your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. This is important. Don't create a new account unless you truly don't have one. Using your existing accountant login keeps all of your client files together in one place. After you enter your login details, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Sometimes QuickBooks will send you a verification code by email or text message. If that happens, simply retrieve the code from your email or your phone, then type it into the verification box and continue. This step is part of Intuit's security measures to keep your client's financial data safe. Next, you'll be asked to link this new client to your accounting firm within QuickBooks Online Accountant. You should see a list of firms associated with your login. Select the correct firm that you want this client to be attached to, then click Continue. If you only have one firm, it may already be selected for you. Once you've completed that, QuickBooks will confirm that everything worked. You'll see a success message letting you know that you now have access to your client's QuickBooks Online company. To double-check, go into your QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard and open the Clients tab. You should now see the new client listed there. From this point on, you'll be able to open their file, manage their books, and perform your usual accounting tasks, all from within your accountant account.